Where are you taking it? You have to put it in the fridge? Does it need to go to the fridge?
Uh-oh. Here.
Get it.
There. Put it back in the pot.
Yeah, up. Good. Up a little more. Good job, Addy. Oh, it fell out again. Get that ball. Good. Put it in the pot. Okay, take it to the fridge. Go put it in the fridge.
Throw it at you, Dad.
Wow. Wow, that's a good throw. Good throw, Addy.
Yeah. In the pot. She's smart.
She's very smart.
In the fridge, Mom.
Okay, put it in there. So Dad, open it up. Oh, is it done? Done cooking? Ball. That's a girl. Good job. Good job, Addy. Good.
Come get the ball.
Oh, a little tantrum? Put the ball back on. Go ahead. Yeah. Yeah.